South India's #1 travel brand. You know you are special when you're with GT Holidays.
Very happy. I think I'm very blessed that कहीं ना कहीं ये मेरे पूर्वजों की blessings हैं जो अब मेरे सामने आ रही हैं. Thank you so much. Now it's getting irritating because I've heard that a lot of stupid messages have been people have been trolling female media people. तो please बंद कर दो ये before you get into trouble. What bothers me is when we are talking about my relationship, there's also other people involved.
चुम के साथ
चुम के साथ तो चुम ही बताएगी क्या, क्योंकि because as Salman sir said, it lies in.
Nuran came and Nuran said that there was a point where you have called him a junior artist.
I don't remember calling him a junior artist, because मैं तो हमेशा से बोला that he's been a star and you call your friends and then you call acquaintances, उसका दोस्त. So I call them junior artists, which I never meant. When I went on the roast thing, when he was a little outrageous with the task with Chum, he came and apologized to Chum. So we are somewhere mature men who understand the journey.
He's supremely witty, he's funny, and he has won Big Boss 18 after Khatron Ke Khiladi. Well, Karanveer Mehra joins for conversation only on Galata India. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है, बहुत खुश हूँ मैं. और पेमेंट हो गया?
मेरा पेमेंट नहीं आया, मुझे चाहिए भी नहीं. But I want to know because you started with this. How do you react to such?
I find this very childish, stupid, and now it's getting irritating because I've heard that a lot of stupid messages have been people have been trolling female media people. So please बंद कर दो ये before you get into trouble.
That's true. But Karan, I have seen you in a different space where you've gone full out dancing. You have that energy.
Yeah.
Why are you so low? You won.
I
And
won.
also on a special day, if I'm not mistaken.
Of course, it's my dad's birthday. I think he would have been 71 today. So very happy. I think I'm very blessed that कहीं ना कहीं ये मेरे पूर्वजों की blessings हैं जो अब मेरे सामने आ रही हैं. Thank you so much, Dad.
It's a divine.
It's a divine, yeah.
But Karan, I also want to ask you this, that a lot of labels were attached to you because of your past.
हाँ.
I remember this episode very early on in the show जहाँ पे आपने ना आरफीन जी को confront कर दिया था और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था because he's a life coach and he was giving you a lot of things about your own life.
हाँ.
And I
दिखाया था वो.
Yeah. So I want to know that, I understand that you've had 2 broken marriages, but do you feel like the judgment about it that you've dealt with before the show, that was used also on the show many times?
यार अब कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. अब लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं या कह रहे हैं वो भी मैं सोचूंगा तो फिर लोग क्या सोचेंगे. So it doesn't bother me much. But what bothers me is when we are talking about my relationship, there's also other people involved who've moved on in life. तो ज़बरदस्ती वो drag होंगे and it's a big platform. They will Google, they will try and send messages here and there. So that was the stupid part. But having said that, I hold no grudges.
There was a point also where I kind of didn't agree with you, I'm being honest. जहाँ पे आपने बोला था कि I'm not so attached. There was this task where you didn't go and help Shilpa.
जी.
And then everybody asked you why you like this. And you said that, because of my experiences, because I lost my father really early, I have become this person who's not so attached, who's not easily attached. Today you have friendships with Shilpa ji,
Correct.
with Shrutika, and also with Chum. There is a possibility that people are thinking that you and Chum might just be together. Are there changes or learnings from your previous relationships that you're going to incorporate now in your friendships and relationships in general?
हाँ, मतलब मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. In this house I realize it's not what I say, it's also what I do. So at times I was just talking about, I'm a friend's friend, this, that, and then I didn't perform that task for my friend. So I felt very stupid, and there was a catharsis where I felt that why am I saying this, that I'm a friend's friend when I'm not being a friend.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of realization that happened throughout the journey, and I'm happy that I've come out as a winner.
तो चुम के साथ
तो चुम ही बताएगी क्या, क्योंकि because as Salman sir said, it lies in the girl's hands. The choices are always with the girl, and मैं तो वैसे भी बताया ना, second hand जवानी में चल रहा हूँ.
Shut up. No, but do you like her? Do you love her?
See, love is a strong word. Of course, I love her as a friend, as everything. But there's a lot of things, a lot of permutation, combination when you come out and you see different challenges, and you have other things to keep in consideration. So once we sort all that out, we'll see where we are.
I asked Chum this question because a lot of people, when Chum's mother came in, everybody was teasing you.
हाँ.
And सबने बोला कि अरे अप्रूवल आ गया
हाँ.
तो I asked her this right now and she said
हाँ.
नहीं मेरी मम्मी ने अभी तक अप्रूव नहीं
नहीं
किया
किया ना
है.
अप्रूव. हाँ, तो वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, बहुत लंबी चढ़ाई है भाई. तुम धीरे धीरे तुम भी बात करो. तुम भी बनोगे ना वो जो फूफा जी बीच के जाके मैं करा के आता हूँ.
Ichi, you have
नहीं.
called me फूफा जी.
फूफा जी क्या बुलाना है बता दो तुम्हें, मैं बुलाता
कुछ भी
हूँ
भाई.
मेरे को ननदवीर मेहरा बोला हुआ शो पे तुम फूफा बन सकते हो.
That's okay. But what about your family? Are they happy
मेरी वाइफ
with
बहुत चिल्ले पड़ी, जहाँ वो मेरे को खुशी देखती है वो बोलती है मजे कर तू. और मैं खुद खतरों का खिलाड़ी हूँ, मैं गर्लफ्रेंड बनाते ही सीधा शादी करता हूँ.
You were one of my mom's favorite contestants. I used to keep messaging you on your tasks,
That's so
especially.
sweet. So
You know, another thing that has happened is there were two Khilaris who eventually became top two. And this entire season, the only two people who came at loggerheads and were discussed were you and Vivian.
जी.
And there was a point where even Nuran came and Nuran said that there was a point where you have called him a junior artist. So what do you want to say about that? Do you want to clarify actually what happened?
I don't remember calling him a junior artist, yeah, because मैं तो हमेशा से बोला है that you know he's been a star and I've always envied his journey. तो मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने जूनियर आर्टिस्ट कुछ बोला होगा. हो सकता है जूनियर एज में बोला हो शायद. He's a junior this thing, but I don't remember that at all.
उन्होंने एक्चुअली बोला था कि आपने एक जगह पे बोला था बात करते करते बाहर कि you know when I have a really big house, so when I call people, I call a lot of
So
people.
what I meant was not him, of course. He's never come to my house. So मैंने थोड़े pompous way में बोल दिया होगा that you know when you call people, you call your friends and then you call acquaintances. उसका दोस्त. So I call them junior artists, which I never meant. Junior artists भी artist ही होते हैं ना.
Yeah.
वो जो भरने के लिए, frame भरने के लिए लोगों को बुलाता हूँ. So I never meant him.
Okay.
It's nothing to do with him.
So do we get to see you guys play football again?
Of course, we will be on the field again. हम वो पूरा चौटाला वटाला वाला करते हैं, गोल मैं मारूंगा नहीं मैं मारूंगा, वैसे ही लड़ रहे होते हैं.
Finally, is there a possibility of you being friends with him?
We are friends, यार. We are friends, of course we are friends. अब ट्रॉफी आ गई है तो पता नहीं क्या एटीट्यूड है, but friends तो हैं हम.
What went wrong inside the house then? Where-
That's different situations, यार. मैं can't pinpoint one thing ना. कभी मैं गलत हुआ तो फिर मेरे को सॉरी बोलना पड़ा. You know when I went on the roast thing. When he was a little outrageous with the task with Chum, he came and apologized to Chum. So we are somewhere mature men who understand the journey.
And post this, what do you want to do?
Now I want to ask Colors, क्या है next trophy बताओ. Hat-trick मारेंगे.
Do you feel that a lot of times, I'm going to ask you this because a lot of people have asked this, that उनको बोला गया Colors का लाडला, after winning this, do you officially want to take that title from him, Colors का
नहीं,
लाडला?
let me be जनता का लाडला.
Okay.
I'm happy. जनता का लाडला बन जाएंगे तो फिर सारे चैनल के हो गए ना, हम सिर्फ कलर्स क्यों.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so
And I
much.
hope that you party soon and dance soon.
Yes.
Again.
South India's #1 travel brand. You know you are special when you're with GT Holidays.